In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put header only on first page in Google Docs. Let's jump right in. First, open your Google Docs file so you're looking at the document you want to edit. It can be a report, an essay, or a resume, anything that needs a clean first page with a header and no header on the rest. Next, move your mouse to the very top area of the first page and double-click. This opens the header section. You'll know you're in the right place if a header boundary appears and your cursor is sitting in that top margin area. When the header is active, you should also see options specific to headers, including one that we're about to use. Look for the option labeled Different First Page and check it. This simple setting tells Google Docs to treat the first page's header separately from all the other pages. Think of it as creating two header zones, one for page 1 and one for pages 2 and beyond. This is perfect for documents that need a title block, a logo, or special information only on the opening page. With that option enabled, go ahead and type the content you want to appear in the first page header. This could be your document title, date, or any information that should be visible only on page 1. You can format it just like normal text, change the font, adjust the size, center it if you like. Just make sure your cursor stays in the header while you make those changes. Now scroll to the second page of your document, click inside the header area there. Because you turned on different first page, what you're seeing on page 2 is the separate header for the rest of the document. Simply delete any text in this header. When you remove it here, it will clear the header on all pages after the first, while leaving the first page header exactly as you set it. If you still see the faint header boundary on later pages, that's normal. There's just no content in it anymore. Finally, review your document, scroll from the top to the bottom, and confirm that your header appears only on the first page, with clean header-free pages after that. Any new pages you add later will follow the same rule and remain header-free unless you add something to that secondary header area. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.